A former TD is under investigation for allegedly claiming the pensions of his deceased parents, the Irish Independent can reveal. The once high-profile politician, who has not held public office for a number of years, is alleged to have pocketed tens of thousands in pension payments. The man is understood to have claimed over €500 per week over a prolonged period. The amount of money involved is understood to be significant, and if he is ultimately charged, he will face trial in the Circuit Court. It is understood the man was arrested and questioned under caution by Gardaí from the Social Welfare Fraud Unit. It is expected a file will be prepared for the DPP. The politician was questioned for several hours by highly experienced investigators, but was released without charge. Key to the Garda inquiries is if and when the man alerted authorities to his parents' deaths and whether he knowingly spent the money, which amounts to approximately €2,000 per month. Investigators are probing whether the former TD forged his parents' signatures and if he deliberately failed to alert the Department of Social Protection of their deaths. In Ireland, it is a legal requirement of a next of kin to report the death of someone in receipt of a social welfare payment or the state pension to the Department of Social Protection. Dedicated social welfare fraud units are in operation in each region. The man has a number of siblings who are said to be horrified by the allegations. A source close to a member of the family said they were stunned by the development and that this is the last thing they would have expected. They said this is particularly distressing for them as this allegation involves their parents and they are hoping it is all a big misunderstanding. In recent years, the man stepped away from frontline politics and has had a much lower national profile. However, he is understood to have been involved in his local community. For more on this and other stories, you can read the Irish Independent.